Okay, it's November 6th, year 2021. I have here soldering iron, which is adjustable. It's from 30 to 60 watt. Okay, I have installed temperature sensor on the tip of the yeah. I even put some solder, so this will make a better heat conduction. Okay. Okay, now the temperature is getting at 230 degrees, which is set to minimum. Okay, let's set it to higher. This is set to 200. Let's put it on the middle. Let's see what's the middle. There, that's middle. Okay, and see how the temperature rise. There's going up. 251, 260. Let's see, it can go to 280. 295. 300. Okay, that's the mid setting. Very difficult to see. Okay, it's now 320, 330. 340. And 350 is still there, going up. Okay, 360. Okay, still there. 370. Still going up. Okay, this time let's increase it to maximum. I just want to test the maximum temperature it can go. Okay, this time it's set to maximum, and you will notice the LED is bright. There, it goes to 400, 415, 430. Wow, it's really hot. 470. 490. Let's keep it wet. There, I put a little solder. Wow, 515. I guess it's too hot. Maybe let's lower it. Let's put it on the minimum. Okay, so go back to minimum, and let's see the temperature drop. So the maximum, it can goes up to more than 500 degrees. Okay, 462. There. Took a lot of time. Maybe next time I will try to make another video with temperature data logger and see how it looked like. Anyway, I'm not going to waste so many time. Okay, that's about it. Thank you.